Hello guys! Today I'm going to try different things to see if I can make slime. First product that I'm going to test is this one. I'm going to add some body lotion to see if this works. It becomes stretchier. And it looks like a chewing gum. I'm going to add more. It has the texture of a clay that I'm using to make butter slime, but this one is stretchier. And this is how it looks. Next, I have some hand wash and a shower gel. I'm going to pour them here and see if I add glue and activate it, if we can make slime. Wow, the purple one looks amazing. Okay, I'm going to add some white glue. I saw some people trying this, and I'm very curious about the texture. I'm going to activate it with my normal activator, is boroglycerin. I think this needs more activator than usually. And I will add more. And this is the slime. It needs a lot of activator, but it works. It's soft and a little bit fluffy and smells great. And I love the poking sounds. Next we have this correction fluid sponge. I bought this before and this smells like a white glue that I bought sometime. So I decided to give it a try. Okay, let's see if we can activate it. Well, this doesn't work. It seems that the activator is separated from the liquid. Let's try the next one. A very popular thing is trying different glitter glues to see if it works for making slime. In this battle, I have added an entire collection of mini glitter glues. Let's see if it works. I'm going to mix this and then add my activator. Unfortunately, this doesn't work. I'm going to try now another glitter glue. And I think this one works. Yes, it does. It has a weird texture. It looks like a barrel of slime. And the glitter comes out of the slime. And this is it, guys, so far. Tell me what other things would you like me to try. And that's it. See you next time. Bye.